I thought I should let you know that on this Cosmic Bytes keyboard, there is a sale. Actually, there is a sale on all Cosmic Byte website for 10% off, and the coupon code is Cosmic 10. Uh, Someone asked me about the keyboards between blue and brown, which should they get? So blue and brown are almost the same in terms of the actuation force. 45 and 50 gram, that's not bit different. This is the same keyboard, it's the blue switch. What happens is I don't need to press the key all the way down for it to activate. Let me show you. If I press page down, if I press it just halfway, it activates. I don't need to press it to the bottom of the keyboard. That is the case with both blue and the brown switches. The difference between both is blue sounds a lot like this. You can hear it. So if you live with someone or work at a time when everyone is sleeping or are in office, you cannot get the blue switches. However, blue are the standards for typists and gamers. They generally prefer it. Uh, Now regarding the sale, it is 10% off on 1900 rupees keyboard. So this will cost you, you can subtract 200 from it. So it will be around 1700 for this keyboard. If you go on Amazon, it's 1800. And the same with the brown switches, it's 1900 here. It will be 1700 on Cosmic website, and it is 1700 on the Cosmic website side. If you are sure that you want the blue or the brown switches, if you are confirmed which keyboard you want and you have tried it somewhere and you are sure that you want it, go ahead with Cosmic Byte website because their packaging is very good. You can see the last video, but the packaging is very good and there are no issues when the keyboard arrives. If you are not sure that you want this keyboard or not, you must order via Amazon, and as you know that return and replacement trick, as long as it works you can get your money back, but beware, there is no guarantee of that because it still says 7 days replacement. However, if you know want to refund it, just contact me in Discord. I will leave the link of the Discord. Also, one more thing, while buying from Amazon these electronic devices, only buy from Apario Retail Private Limited. Don't buy it from another, either Apario or Cosmic or what was the name? Cloudtail India. Only from two, not from any other. Okay. I have the affiliate links for the Amazon product, but I don't have the affiliate for Cosmic Byte. However, I will still say that you should go with Cosmic Byte's website if you are buying. This keyboard I bought both via Amazon and via Cosmic Byte website, and the Cosmic Byte website packaging and everything was much better in my opinion. Okay, that's all.